Your car is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a significant investment. But unlike real estate, its value starts to drop the moment you drive it off the lot. To keep your vehicle's worth as high as possible, let's explore 3 key strategies to prevent rapid depreciation. Firstly, regular maintenance is non-negotiable. Ignoring that check engine light or skipping oil changes can wreak havoc on your engine's health and your car's overall value. And don't forget about appearances. A well-maintained, clean car is far more appealing and retains its value better. So make sure to keep up with scheduled servicing and give your car the occasional spa day with washes and detailing. Moving inside, the state of your car's interior is crucial. From seating material to console technology, these details can account for half of your vehicle's value. To avoid depreciation, protect your interior from damage. Steer clear of eating and drinking on the go. Clean your console and interior regularly, and consider weather protection mats to safeguard against the elements. Remember, a well-kept cabin can make all the difference. When it's time to sell, a few smart choices can maximize your return. Opting for a private sale over a dealership trade-in can be more lucrative, despite the extra effort involved. And investing in a full car detailing before showing your vehicle to potential buyers can significantly boost its appeal and value. By following these straightforward tips, you can effectively slow down your vehicle's depreciation and ensure a better return on your investment. And don't forget, choosing a car from a reputable brand known for quality and longevity, like many German or Japanese manufacturers, can also contribute to a higher resale value. Do your research, pick a popular model, and watch your car maintain its worth in the long run.